Okay, so just a quick demo about gold and probably what you might expect to see when you join Discord. But you will need to log into Discord and click things. I won't spoon feed anybody. You'll need to just investigate in the channel that you're interested in. You might be interested in gold. You might be interested in the euro. If you are, then there's analysis in the euro section, which I posted yesterday. So here's gold. We raided the stop loss cluster. And we've got an MA resistance, so it's like two things that act as resistance. We've got liquidity probe, and you could argue we're just hunting liquidity, and we've got technical resistance. So keep it nice and simple. MA, you know, it's a 20 MA on the H4, quite good. So there's update 1. It might want to get these stops. I was saying, you know, we have got that possibility. So I was wondering what it's going to do. It sort of wicked above. I was thinking it might want to get those stops. I'm not sure, but for now, I'm going to look to sell because we've got two things acting as a resistance. We've got liquidity probe and we've got technical resistance, okay? And I hit the MA combo. And so, for example, I was just saying I'm leaning towards sells because we've got a pitchfork break at the arrow. So you're looking for sells. We might see a retest at the arrow, but then inevitably it might be sell again. If we go back in this parallelogram, this ascending rectangle, then I'll change my bias, but we've broken this pitchfork, okay? So that's a technical bearish development. And we hit the SLC and we wicked, and there we go. And I'm just going to respond to this question now. So, and that's it, just to say use the SLC indicator with the 20 MA on H4. I wholeheartedly recommend fxsi.com and their indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5. It's a 7-day free trial, so do have a look. There's no credit card required. You might be lacking in some sentiment awareness, analysis, and it does complement technical and fundamentals very well. Especially if you're very technical, you could be missing out on some sentiment, or if you're particularly fundamental, you could be missing out on some sentiment. This is like a sweet zone. It complements both. And it gives you a very strong bias about direction as well. So technicals are great for direction, fundamentals are great for direction, but the sentiment sits in between, okay? And so perhaps if you're missing out on some sentiment awareness, these are the best indicators in existence in the world for that. And then you can have a look at this. You've got a 7-day free trial, and you've got your order book, and you've got your indicators, including the ratios, which are amazing. Just look at my videos on my YouTube channel and you can see how powerful the ratios are. And you can have a look. Just take your time. You've got 7 days to trial them. And if you don't like them, then that's fair enough. You don't have to renew. But we do have a code if you want to. And it's just the QuasiDB code, and it gives you a 10% discount. And that's it. So have a look, see what you think. And like I said, it's a 7-day trial, so you don't have to renew, but I think you'll probably find you will renew afterwards, because the order book and the ratios and the stop loss clusters as well are amazing. The stop loss clusters are great because you know where to target. Okay, that's where you take profit, where people get stopped out. Okay, and that's it. So just a quick plug for the fxsi.com, and enjoy your day.